Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Recipes Fitness Tips. Today I will make Oats Plum Crisp, which is a very healthy oats recipe and it's very unique also. For this we need plum fruits 3 to 4. First we will chop these plum fruits. Now in a frying pan I am adding these fruits because we want to make a jelly of it. First we will heat it for few minutes. Now I am adding lemon juice with it. And I am adding little jaggery powder with it. And we will cook it for 5 to 10 minutes in low flame of the gas. So you can see that after some time the juices will come out, and with a spatula I am pressing it very gently. So yes, it's almost ready. Let it be cool for some time. Now in a mixer grinder jar I have added it. We'll make a paste of it. You can see the jelly is ready. You can have this jelly with your bread also. Now we will make the base of this oats crisp. I'm adding 1 cup rolled oats in a bowl, as you can see. Now I'm adding half cup jaggery powder with it. Now I'm adding little vegetable oil with it. Now I'm adding few drops of vanilla essence with it to give it a flavor. I'm adding half cup of all-purpose flour with it. You can use wheat flour also. I'm adding 1/4 cup baking powder with it. I have also added 2 eggs with it. Now we will mix it very well. One thing you should remember, the consistency should not be very liquid or it's not like creamy. Because we are not making cake, we are making crepes, so it's rough only. Now I am using one rectangular cake tin and some butter paper. First we will make one layer using that oats mixture, whatever we made last. So now I am adding the plum jelly over it. Very nicely we should spread this jelly so that the uniform taste will come. Now again I have coated with the second layer of the oats mixture, and with one spatula I am spreading this uniformly. Now we will bake it for 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. So guys, you can see that our oats plum crisp is ready. We will cut it into pieces. You can serve this along with tea, or you can have it as your breakfast. So friends, I hope you like this recipe. Please share it with your friends and family and subscribe my channel for more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you in my next video.